Crestron Home organizes your home into rooms and environments for easier control. Let's take a look. From the Rooms page, you can view all your spaces and environments in one place. Each tile represents an area of your home that you can control. These colored icons show the available services in each room, like lighting, shades, and audio. By default, you may be in the condensed view. Tap the View button in the top corner to see the expanded view. This will show you room statuses like temperature, lighting levels, and even what's playing on your audio and video systems. You can also view rooms by groups, such as first floor. Use these buttons to filter between individual rooms and grouped environments. To see more detailed controls, tap a room. Need to adjust a specific service? Just tap on it. Here, we're opening a shade in the dining room. See this heart icon? Tap it to add the room to your favorites for quick access. Favorites keep your most used rooms just a tap away. Effortless control of every room and environment in your home. And no matter how you control your Crestron Home, phone, tablet, or touch panel, you'll always have the same familiar experience. For more tips, check out the Crestron Home Quick Start Guide.